Hey everyone, welcome back to History's Mysteries. Today, we're diving into one of the most significant and devastating events of the 20th century, the First World War. Known as the Great War and the war to end all wars, this global conflict reshaped nations, societies, and the very fabric of international relations. Let's explore the causes, key events, and lasting impacts of World War I. The spark that ignited the war. The origins of World War I are complex, rooted in a web of alliances, militarism, imperialism, and nationalism. However, the immediate catalyst was the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary on June 28, 1914. He was killed by Gavrilo Princip, a member of a Serbian nationalist group in Sarajevo. This assassination set off a chain reaction of events. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary by a Serbian nationalist in Sarajevo ignited a powder keg of tensions in Europe. Within weeks, a network of alliances pulled the major powers into a full-scale war. The Domino Effect, alliances and declarations of war. Austria-Hungary, backed by Germany, declared war on Serbia. Russia mobilized in defense of Serbia, prompting Germany to declare war on Russia. Soon after, Germany declared war on Russia's ally, France. Germany's invasion of Belgium brought Britain into the war against Germany. The intricate system of alliances in Europe meant that once one nation went to war, its allies were compelled to join. Austria-Hungary's declaration of war on Serbia set off a domino effect, leading to a full-blown conflict involving most of Europe's great powers. The trench warfare and major battles. World War I is often remembered for its brutal trench warfare. Soldiers lived and fought in horrific conditions, facing constant threats from artillery, gas attacks, and machine gun fire. Major battles like the Battle of the Somme, Verdun, and Gallipoli resulted in massive casualties and little territorial gain. Trench warfare defined World War I. Soldiers endured unspeakable hardships in the trenches, where they faced relentless artillery bombardments, deadly gas attacks, and the constant threat of enemy fire. Battles like the Somme and Verdun became symbols of the war's brutality and futility. Technological innovations and warfare. The First World War saw significant advancements in military technology. Tanks, airplanes, machine guns, and chemical weapons were used extensively, changing the nature of warfare. World War I was a war of technological innovation. The introduction of tanks, airplanes, machine guns, and chemical weapons revolutionized combat, making it more deadly than ever before. The global impact. The war was not confined to Europe. It spread to colonies and territories around the world, involving nations from Africa, Asia, and the Americas. The entry of the United States in 1917 provided a significant boost to the Allied forces. World War I truly was a global conflict, with battles fought not just in Europe, but in Africa, Asia, and the Middle East. The entry of the United States in 1917 turned the tide in favor of the Allies, bringing fresh troops and resources to the war effort. The Armistice on November 11, 1918, brought an end to the fighting, but the war's repercussions were far from over. The Treaty of Versailles, signed in 1919, imposed severe reparations on Germany and reshaped the map of Europe, sowing the seeds for future conflicts. The legacy of World War I is vast. It led to the collapse of empires, redrew borders, and set the stage for World War II. The war also spurred significant social changes, including the expanded role of women in the workforce and advancements in medical and technological fields. World War I was a tragedy of unprecedented scale, but it also shaped the modern world in profound ways. By studying its causes, battles, and aftermath, we gain valuable insights into the forces that continue to shape our world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more episodes of History's Mysteries. Until next time, remember the past to understand the present. Don't forget to follow us on social media and let us know what historical mysteries you'd like us to explore next. Stay curious, everyone.